Honor X9C po. Color natin ng titanium black. Same nung display.
Black, no?
Apo, sealed yung unit po. Open to na. Check ako mong appearance, kung may gas-gas scratches.
Black.
Ito yung kasama yung case. Clear po.
Oh, man.
Let's charge.
Yan, may protector na yan, ma'am, tsaka case.
Set up ko lang yun. X9C. Color titanium black. Set up.
Type C. USB 66 watts.
So dito siya nasanay mo yung 3 keys sa baba. Check ko lang yung sounds. Baba na.
Pure gold sinakyan namin. Dami pure gold. Pure gold tapos